All right, this is how you're going to be able to create comments on others' slideshows. So you can go to the slide or spreadsheet, click on one of your classmates, somebody you're curious about. You can see what their topic is, and then you're going to open up their presentation. Hopefully, they allowed everyone to view it. That's going to be an essential part of this. So this is Reese's, and once it opens up, take a look through their presentation, and hopefully there's like photos and things like that. Ooh, Reese even wow, that's good. The plans, the actual implementation. Ooh, he did a really good job of that. Oh, look at that awesome picture. So what you can do is you go up to this little dialogue thing, and that's the commenting. So you can click on it, and then you click on the plus button for the comment and say, you did, whoops, an amazing job. I love that you included your plans in the entire process. Way to go. And then click the comment thing, and boom, there it is. So your classmate will be able to see their comments. And I think that's an important thing. People are, of course, doing these passion projects for their own well being, but it's always nice to share and know that people looked at that. So if you could do that, that would be amazing. And I know your classmates would appreciate it.